Understanding Drone Surveillance, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very contemporary topic, drone surveillance. This concept might sound complex, but don't worry. We'll break it down together, making it easy to understand. So, whether you're just curious or need this for your studies, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Drone surveillance refers to the use of unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, commonly known as drones, to monitor, observe, and collect data over areas or people. These devices are equipped with cameras and sensors that allow them to capture images and videos from the sky. Originally developed for military purposes, drone surveillance has now expanded into civilian use, including traffic monitoring, agricultural assessment, and even wildlife conservation. At the heart of drone surveillance is a combination of advanced technology. Drones are remotely controlled or programmed to fly over specific routes. As they fly, their cameras and sensors gather visual and thermal data, which can be live-streamed to operators or stored for later analysis. This capability makes drones incredibly versatile tools for real-time observation and long-term data collection, applicable in numerous fields beyond security, such as environmental monitoring and urban planning. Benefits of drone surveillance include its ability to access hard-to-reach places, provide high-resolution imagery, and offer perspectives that are impossible to achieve with ground-based observation. However, there are also challenges, notably privacy concerns and regulatory issues. As drones become more common, balancing their utility with individuals' right to privacy has become a hot topic in many societies. With great power comes great responsibility. The ethical use of drone surveillance is a critical discussion point. It raises questions about consent, security, and the potential for abuse. Governments and organizations are working to establish regulations that ensure drones are used responsibly and ethically, respecting people's privacy and public spaces while harnessing their potential for positive applications. I hope this video has shed some light on the intricate world of drone surveillance. As we've seen, it's a technology with a wide range of applications, from safeguarding nations to protecting wildlife. Yet, it's also a field that requires careful consideration of ethics and privacy. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that it adds to your understanding of English in a modern context. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, learning English opens up a world of information and opportunities. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to reach out with topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Take care.